Hi everybody, I'm Martin, CEO of Nuki. As our name says, we just hate to carry around a phone and keys in one pocket. And we thought there must be a better solution for this. So we started to develop Nuki, a smart door lock for everybody and easy to use. Nuki consists of a key turner that you mount on top of your existing lock and which you can control from your smartphone via Bluetooth. We will also be offering a Nuki bridge so that you can also control your Nuki from any place in the world.
The installation of Nuki can be done within 5 minutes. You just place the backplate on your existing door lock, fix it and put Nuki on it. After that, you pair it with your smartphone and set up the app.
For EOS, design is a poetic discipline and lives within the tension between the archaic and the high-tech. We decided to go for a magic black box and to add to that black box a friendly interface in the form of a light circle.
Another very important aspect is security. Nuki is as secure as online banking because we use the same end-to-end encryption mechanics. We also plan to make our communication protocol publicly available and get our software certified by security specialists.
On the software side, Nuki will be really easy to use. You can unlock your door with a swipe, pair new phones with the push of a button, or send invites to anyone via mail. But the best of all, when you come home, your phone will unlock your door automatically without even touching it.
We are thrilled to make this journey and we'd love to work with you to fine-tune our product. The proceeds will be used to fund the final manufacturing of Nuki. Join us and shape the future of your smart home. Thank you so much for your support.